Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to password protect a file in Google Drive. In today's digital age, keeping your sensitive information safe is more important than ever. If you've ever wondered how to add an extra layer of security to your files in Google Drive, you're in the right place. By learning to password protect a file, you ensure that only those you trust can access your confidential data. This tutorial will guide you through each step to secure your files effectively. To start, we'll need to use Google Forms, which is a tool that can help us create a layer of password protection. Begin by navigating to the Google Forms website through your internet browser. Once you arrive, you'll be greeted with a blank form, ready for customization. Start by giving your form a title. Choose something straightforward and memorable like Protected Access Form. This will help you easily identify the purpose of the form later. Next, look for the field labeled Untitled Question. This is where you will craft your password request. Type in the question, "What is the password?" This question prompts users to enter the password you have set. Initially, this field defaults to a multiple-choice format, which isn't ideal for our needs. To change this, click on the multiple-choice drop-down menu and select Short Answer. This adjustment ensures that users must type the exact password to proceed. For enhanced security, you'll want to implement response validation. This feature helps prevent unauthorized access by verifying the input. To access it, click on the three little dots located in the bottom right corner of the question field. A menu will appear. Select Response Validation from this list. You'll then need to change the criteria from number to text. Here, you can input your chosen password. Make sure it's something secure, yet not overly complicated for those who need access. Additionally, consider setting a custom error message, like wrong password, to guide users who might enter the password incorrectly. Before you proceed, ensure that this question is marked as required. This step guarantees that users cannot skip the password prompt without entering the correct text. With the password set up, click on Settings at the top of the page. Navigate to the Presentation tab to customize your confirmation message. A message like Access Granted, please check your email for the link, can provide clear instruction to users once they input the correct password. If you need to make any adjustments, click on Edit to finalize your form. Now that your form is ready, it's time to focus on the file you wish to protect in Google Drive. Open Google Drive and locate the file. Once found, select it and look for the share icon at the top of the page. Click on it, and in the sharing settings, you'll see an option to switch from restricted to anyone with the link. Although this seems open, the form you created ensures that only those with the correct password can access the file. After making this change, click Copy Link. This link is what you will share with those who should have access. Return to your Google form to ensure all settings are saved. Click on Save at the bottom of your settings page to confirm that all changes are recorded. And just like that, you've successfully crafted a password-protected link to your Google Drive file using Google Forms. Now, only those with the correct password can access the file, adding an extra layer of security and giving you peace of mind. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to password protect a file in Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.